I want to see your answers only in the chat box. To talk, fine.
We call, ma'am.
We call, okay. Why do we talk?
Calculate.
To communicate. Excellent, Guru Prasad. Tejaswini, for communication. For giving our information or message. Right? Exactly. So we use telephone for communication, for giving a message to someone. So we use telephone for that. Yes. So in those days, they used to write letters or telegrams to send messages. But today, it is very fast. The world is moving very fast. So we use telephones. If we want to speak to someone on the other side, we can just have his phone number, we can ring and we can talk immediately instead of writing a letter and sending and waiting. See, this is not anywhere in your workbook, in your textbook or in your workbook. This is an exercise which will be given in your assessment board. So we are just going to have a revision of the telephonic conversation.
Class is English only, ma'am.
So telephones came about from a device invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Telephone is a device for communicating sound, especially speech. So what is the meaning of telephone? Tele means
Ma'am, this class EVS or English?
English. I want you to mute yourself and listen. Kanishka, mute yourself, Kanishka. So tele means long distance. Phono means sound, voice or speech.
Ma'am, this is workbook.
Children,
Please
I said
listen, ma'am.
it is nowhere in your textbook or workbook. It is nowhere else. It is just an exercise. Only if you listen, you will be able to do it in your assessment 4. So communicating or sending voice message for a long distance, we use telephones. So as you all told, it is the transmission of message through a phone. So there are two types. One is informal and the other is formal. So informal means in a general way. Generally, how you talk to your friends, your relative, your parents, is called informal. The other is formal. When you call to an office, to your boss, to some office or receptionist, to any other person, we talk it in a formal way. That is called formal telephonic conversation. So here is an example of informal phone conversation. So can I call of you to read this? Yes. Mitra and Pranavi.
Ma'am.
Kanishka, நீ என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க?
Ma'am.
Yes. Who's it?
Mitra, ma'am.
Yes, Mitra. What about Pranavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Pranavi will be speaker 1 and Mitra will be speaker 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Pranavi, start.
Hi, Rosie. How is going on? Hey man, cool you. Good, what about your husband? He's working now. Something to tell,
Help him.
yep. Tell him if he can call me back, please. I'll tell him. Thanks, Rosie. Take care. No problem. You too. Bye. Bye.
Yes, that was very nice actually. Thank you, Mitra and Pranavi. Now you can mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So this is an informal phone conversation between two friends. They are talking over a phone, and so they wanted to speak to her husband. Speaker one wanted to speak to her husband, but husband is right now not able to answer. So she's asking him to call back. So this is an example of informal phone conversation. Who's that? Vivo 9 Pro? Stella ma'am, please check who's that Vivo 9 Pro and please keep them out of the class. Let them be in the
They
lobby.
went. No, ma'am. They went.
Yes. Next.
Yes.
Next, Michael 3D. Michael, are you there? Aditya Ashwant 3C.
Aditya
Shamil.
Ashwant. Yes.
Tamil ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
Shamil is ready
Shamil.
now.
Yes, one more. Sharon, are you there? Sharon, are you there, Sharon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Sharon will be speaker 1 and Shamil will be speaker 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Start reading.
Good morning. I'd like to talk to Mr. Dan Brown, please. Good morning. I am sorry, but Mr. Dan Brown is not here at the moment.
Moment.
Would you like to leave him a message? Yes, please tell him that Mrs. Smutty needs to contact him. Sure, I'll tell him. Does he has your phone number? Yes, he has it. Thank you. You are welcome. Something else? No, that's all. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mr.
Miss Sumati.
Miss Sumati. Good.
Miss Sumati.
Yes. Thank you, Shamil and Sharon. That was excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
yes. So, here two speakers speaking. One speaker, that is speaker 1, wants to talk to Mr. Dan Bro. So, Dan Bro is not available at the moment. So, here we use words like please, thank you. So in formal conversation, we use please, thank you and all that. But in informal conversation, we don't use all these words. May I? So when you're requesting, you just have to ask, would you like to leave him a message? So when you're Ending, you should say you're welcome. So goodbye. So all these are words or phrases we use in a formal phone conversation. So you understood what is the difference between informal and formal phone conversation, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The simplest communication involves four parts. One is sender, message, channel, and receiver. So let's see about what are the problems we face. The first is the sender. Sender is the person who is calling. So you have to ask the spender to speak loudly. If the spender speaks too softly, then we won't be able to hear anything. And if the sender speaks long for so many minutes together, then you should ask the sender to slow down. And the spender should not mumble. Mumble means talk to herself. So all these are problems. So the sender should talk precisely and should deliver the message correctly. Next, message. So you should not use slang vocabulary. Then we will not be able to understand the message. Then the speaker should not repeat the message too many times. And the information, if it is disorganized, then the message will be confusing. So whatever message you have to deliver in the telephonic conversation, it has to be precise and organized way. So it should not be in a foreign language. If it is in foreign language, then you will not be able to understand. The speaker assumes you already know the information or have background knowledge of it. So we should not assume as if the speaker knows everything. So we have to explain everything. And next is the problem with the receiver. The receiver doesn't acknowledge that the message is. The receiver is a person on the other end of the phone. So acknowledge means if you understood, you should say, yes, I understood. Thank you. So admit whatever you understood. The receiver does not engage in a conversation. So you should not engage anywhere outside when he is speaking over the phone. If you are distracted and if you are stop paying attention, then you will not be able to receive the message properly. The receiver is conducting another conversation at the same time. So the receiver should not have another conversation with someone else at the same time. We should concentrate only with the telephonic conversation. So he should not be distracted, and if it is not listening, then he will not be able to understand the message. So if he is not able to understand what we said, then all these are problems which we face with the receiver. So you should not get diverted or distracted, or you should not indulge in any other conversation. Sainath 3C, can you mute yourself, Sainath? Mute yourself, Sainath. Okay. Children, only in 3C and D there has been lot of disturbance. Those who are not interested to listen, please don't disturb the others. So every phone call should begin with the polite greeting. So what are the greetings we just use? Can you give me the answers in the chat box? Yes. Hi. I want in a proper sentence like hi, how are you? Sudarshini, have a nice day. We will speak or we will tell only in the end of the conversation. We will just tell like hello, how was your day? Or how are you doing? So your greeting should be like that. Yes, what about you? How are you? Hello, what are you doing? Yes. Yes, so most of you have written as hi, how are you? Yes, so that is the most general greeting. Next, we have getting into the point. So after greeting, we have to know the message or we are going to deliver the message. So in that way, how will we? So there always comes the point, however, where you want to move on from friendly banter and get down to business. That is, you want to deliver the message. So what you will write it as, I'm just calling to. Like I'm just calling to tell you, or just I'm just calling to tell you what the message is. I'm just calling you to know the meeting is been cancelled. So similarly, message, whatever message we can deliver it here. For example, I'm just calling to see if you would like to set up a meeting. So if the situation is reversed and you're waiting to find out why someone called you, then what will you ask? So what can I do for you? Or so may I help you? Or I will come there right now? Okay, so whatever it can be. Next, interrupting without insult. So if someone is speaking and suddenly you want to interrupt, you should not tell, just stop, I wanted to tell you something. No, that is very, very un, not polite manner. So politely what you should say, I would like to say something here, or may I interrupt you for a second? So you have to use polite sentences like this. You have to request someone for interrupting in between. Next, confirming. When you receive the information, you will give a confirm message. Please let me confirm. Or, so let me make sure I've got things right. So all these are confirming sentences. Next, last, we are the closing the call. At the end of the sentence, someone said me, have a nice day. All those are used for closing the call. So well, John, it's been a pleasure talking to you. So what are all the closing the sentence you'll be using? Bye. Thank you. Goodbye. Can I have answered the chat box? Yes. Have a nice day. Yes. It's been nice talking to you. Yes. Most of us will be telling us it's nice to talk with you, or it's nice talking with you. Have a nice day. Yes. I will talk later. Thank you. And yes. So all these are the ending sentences. Okay. Next, what do we do in business calls? Next, we are going to see formal conversations in business calls. So if you are going to ask for someone, these are all the sentences or phrases we'll be using in formal conversations. Could I speak to Mr. Varun Krishnan, please? Can I speak to Mr. So and so? I would like to speak to Mr. Varun. Could you put me through to Mr. Varun Krishnan, please? So put through means to connect. You're asking someone to connect to Mr. Varun Krishnan. So if you are asking for someone, these are the sentences we should use. So you're explaining that Varun is not available. So what are the sentences we should use when the Varun is not there? I'm afraid Mr. Varun Krishnan isn't in at the moment. So Varun is not available. If not, you can say it as I'm sorry. He is in a meeting now. I'm afraid. He is on another line right now. Another line means he is busy somewhere else. So you want someone to wait for a minute. So what you should say? Hold on a moment, please. Just a moment, please. Could you hold the line, please? So see, in every sentence they are using please because this is formal. Hold the line, please. So when you're taking the message, you will say, can I take a message? Would you like to leave a message? Can I give him or a message? I'll tell Mr. Varun Krishnan that you called. I'll ask him or her to call you. So can we do a small exercise for all these? Yes.
Page number.
Children's not anywhere. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write in the textbook. Ma'am, what page number, ma'am?
Need more. Just listen.
Children, it's not there in your textbook or notebook. This is something outside from your textbook. Okay, so now we are going to do a small exercise. Let me call out some. Stella ma'am, can you call out two persons?
I'll call. Harshan? Harshan 3C?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. One more from Sivaruban 3D.
Sure, EVS, ma'am.
Still
This
you are
is
asking. Can you zoom that one now?
Okay.
What page number?
Is it visible, ma'am?
Ma'am, this is in English
Clear,
workbook,
clear
ma'am.
now.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Children, this is not there in your English workbook or textbook, but you will have this telephonic conversation in your assessment 4. So we have taken from outside. Okay, Deekshita, mute yourself. I hope Arshan and Sivaruban are ready. So Arshan will be B and Sivaruban will be A. Can we start? Deekshita, please mute yourself, Deekshita.
Harshan, get ready now. Okay. Your B, Sivaruban A.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Begin now.
Deekshita, please mute yourself. Yes, Arshan, start.
Dash, can I speak to Ashiru, please?
So what will you fill with?
Hello.
Yes. So you have to fill in and begin. Hello, can I speak to Ashiro, please? Okay. Next, Sivaruban.
Sivaruban, please mute your mobile now. So please unmute your mobile. Sivaruban. Okay, I'll call someone there. Okay, Sarvishwa. Please say Sarvishwa.
Ma'am, Surya, ma'am.
Who's ready now?
Okay, Sivapriya is ready, ma'am.
Okay, Sivapriya.
Start.
Okay, Kanna, please read that now.
This is Ashiro.
Yes. So you have to pick the words from the given box and you have to read. Yes. Next, Arshan.
Hi, Dash. Where is Yuri? How are you?
So what you have to fill in the
Hi, Ashiro.
So when we are talking to Ashiro, you will say hi Ashiro. Like this only you will get in answer question paper also. You have to think and write the answer. Okay, next. Shivapriya.
I'm all right. All right.
Others, you can type your answers in the chat box.
Ma'am, can I?
I am all right.
And you?
Next, what you to say? And you, yes. I'm all right. And you. Okay, next. Arshin, start.
I am good. I was wondering if you were dash this. See.
Free. You are free this Saturday. Yes. Next, Shivapriya.
Yes, I am free. You like to do something?
What will you fill in here?
Free, ma'am.
Yes, I am. Dash, you like to do something. You're asking someone. Yes, I'm getting answer in the chat box. Very good, Deekshita. Charmita, yes.
Ma'am, would
Pranavi,
ma'am?
yes. Would you like to do something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next.
Yes, I am. Would you like to do something?
Arshan.
Yeah, I was thinking of going to dash the new Indian Jones movie instead. Free, ma'am.
No. I was thinking of going to
See.
see. Yes, I'm going to see the new Indiana Jones movie. Interested? So you're asking the other person, are you interested to see the movie? So what is the other person saying? Where is Shivapriya?
Definitely.
What will you use?
Ma'am, definitely. Where we should meet?
What word will you use in the blank, ma?
Where, ma'am?
Yes, where. Where should we meet? Okay, next. Arshan, read.
Ma'am,
Read full out.
how does the big there in the Shopping Hills say 12 p.m.?
2 p.m. So what is the correct word? Was is not correct. Let me
Where?
en- No.
About.
Yes, about. How about the big theater in Roping Hill? Yes, next.
Sounds good. Would you there?
No, would will not come. See you there. Sounds good. See you there. So the person is saying it's very good. Then let's meet there. Yes. Aradhya is correct. Aradhya, Ridushana. Yes, Arshan. The last.
Sounds good. Cool. Cool. Bye.
That's it. Bye. Yes, thank you, Arshan and Sivapriya. So like this, you will be given fill up and you will be given words in the box. You have to fill and write. If not, they will be giving sentences, full sentence, and you have to pick from the sentence. You will be given either this or that. So you have to select and write. Can we do one more exercise, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Get ready, Girish Raghavendra, 3C as well as Dikshita 3D.
Can I?
Okay, Subhashri, 3D Subhashri. You can unmute, ma'am.
Yes, Subhashri will be A. And who's the other one, ma'am?
Girish Raghavendra.
Girish is having some eye problem, it seems.
Okay, no need. I follow. Sainath. Sainath.
Ma'am, me?
Yes, Subhashri is also there. Sainath, get ready. Sanjana Shri. Children, are you getting? Sanjana Shri.
Can I, ma'am?
Okay, dear. Okay, ma'am. Sanjana Shri as well as.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes, Saina. Okay. Okay, Sanjana Shri.
Jayashree, mute yourself.
Jayashree, please mute now.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Yes,
Charmita.
Charmita, we will call you. For all the children who want to read, we have few more exercise. We'll call you. Please wait. Now, Sanjana will be B and Subhashri will be A.
Okay, Sanjana
Subhashri, can you
Shri,
start?
you are.
Yes, ma'am.
If from Sanjana Shri is A, Subhashri will be B. Okay, ma, get ready. Rest of the children, please mute and listen now.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Shakespeare. More
Please wait now. Jayashree, mute your mobile now. Jayashree, are you hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Jayashree, please mute your mobile now.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
How may I help you? How may I help you?
Just start, ma.
Good afternoon, JP Morgan,
Okay, Sanjana Shri.
Investment Bank. How may I
Yes, ma'am.
help you?
Yes. Who is B? Sanjana, can you read B?
Hello. May I dash to Mr. Tanaka?
Accounting, please.
Accounting, please.
Yes. What will come in the blanks? May I?
May I speak?
Speak, please. Next.
Why? One, one dash, please. I'm sorry. I am afraid, Mr. Dalaga, isn't his office at the dash. One moment, please. One moment, please.
Mr. Tanaka isn't
One,
at the moment. Isn't his office at the moment. Next. Next. Continue, Subhashri.
please help. Can I take a yes. Message?
Very good. So the person is asking, Mr. Tanaka is not there, so can I take the message instead of Tanaka? Okay, next. Sanjana.
Sanjana, read the B1. Sanjana Shri.
Yes, ma'am. That's okay.
The person is saying, no, that's okay. That means don't want.
That's okay. Ma'am, okay.
Continue.
That's okay.
Yes, continue.
Later.
I'll call again later. Ma'am.
You just die. You're welcome. Goodbye. You're welcome. Goodbye.
Okay, thank you, Subhashri and Sanjana. So, children, this is how you will be getting your exercise. You have to choose from the given words. Hope you all understood. Can we do one more exercise? One small exercise, okay? So now we
Yes,
are going to
ma'am.
do role play. Role play means I will not give you any dialogue. Okay, I'm going to just call two persons. So now I'm telling you the situation. It's very late at night and you can't sleep. So what you're doing, you're going to call your best friend and talk. You're going to give me just 2 or 3 dialogues. Let me call Ridushana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ridushana, you're going to be one friend, that is A, and the other person will be Charmita, B. Charmita, you ready? Charmita,
Armita.
okay, Charmita is not there.
Okay, I'll
Tejaswini,
call Tejaswini. Tejaswini, are you ready?
is not, no response. Okay, I think Mitra is ready. Mitra, are you there?
Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mitra and Ridushana,
Ridushna.
you will both start a conversation.
And which ma'am?
No, you can have your own dialogues. It's very late at night, you're calling your friend and talking. Just 2-3 lines is okay.
Ring, ring. Hello. Hi, this is Vidushana. Hello, this is Mitra. How are
Continue.
you? I'm fine. What about you? I'm alright.
That's all you speak with your friend. You don't talk anything about homework, lesson,
No,
movie.
I can't hear, ma'am.
You can't hear, okay. But you started well.
It's not audible.
Okay. Mitra, can you be little louder?
Ma'am, I can't hear. She's not audible, ma'am. Now? Yes, yes. Can you please talk louder? Okay, now I'm audible. Yes, yes. You're audible now. Okay. Did you finish homework?